Hey guys, JackSquare here with a mug that is not full of a delicious beverage. It'd be kind of nice on a day like this. It's a little bit cold. It's got a bunch of dice in it. And all this is great for keeping my dice in, you know, if it's just here around the house. If I want to take them somewhere, this is not really that good of an option. So what I need is what I have right down here. We have a dice bag in here. So we're going to do a little unboxing and initial impressions review video. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Let's see. Hey, there it is. Check this out. Cool little dragon emblem on there. So, alrighty, let's see what we have here. So this is from Easy Roller Dice Company. Ooh, this is pretty nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. So everybody said in the reviews online that it was pretty big. And I mean, you can see, nice, sizable, very cool. Feels really nice. It's got this nice leather emblem right there. I like the color scheme of it. And this bag is reversible. So if you want to kind of have something a little more eye-catching, stand out from the crowd. Ooh, nice and red. I like that. I like that. It's very cool. I'm probably going to go with it the other way for most of the time. So, let's go ahead and try it out. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so people weren't lying. Somebody said this thing was like the TARDIS, man, that like there's just more room on the inside sort of thing. I'm not a Doctor Who fan, so like maybe I'm butchering the quote. But the point is, I mean, look at that. We've got that's the pound of dice from ChessX, and I mean we've got a lot of room in here for more dice, which is very cool. And you might say, why do you need that many? That many? You know, it's like, well, why not? I mean, come on. It's cool to have, right? I'm really bad about collecting sets of dice, so yeah. Let me just draw strings there, and we are ready to go somewhere and roll for initiative. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this guy, I picked it up on Amazon. Just initial impressions. I'm pretty happy with it. It's exactly what I hoped it would be. Looks like it does in the pictures. Really nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. I'll put the link in the description. That way you guys can check it out as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have a dice bag that you like to use? Let me know. I guess the only thing that I could maybe be worried about on this guy, two things. Cosmetically, first, it'd be nice if that tag wasn't right here by the dragon emblem. Maybe if it were more like on the back. I think that could be kind of cool. And then I wonder, let's see. Well, you know what? Okay, yeah, it's got a tag on the inside, so same thing, but it's on this side. So if you had the bag reversed, you'd still have a tag right here by the emblem, which isn't obviously like a deal breaker, but I could see that maybe being some better placement on that. And that's just nitpicky, you know, that's to say if I want to find something. The other thing is because it's this kind of felt material, I might need to watch like the animal hair and things like that. Just any dust and little bits of stuff on this guy. But I mean, like a lint brush or some duct tape would fix that. But yeah, as far as like how much it can hold in this and the way it looks, the way it feels, I'm pretty happy with this. So like I said, I'll put it in the description. You guys let me know what you think. And it's time to play some D&D. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.